In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Snapchat password. So if you logged out of your Snapchat account and you want to log in again, but you couldn't log in with the current password you remember, you can easily reset the Snapchat password and set a new password for your Snapchat account. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So the first one to do is open the Snapchat application, then click on logged in under already have an account. Here you'll be prompted to type in your Snapchat username and then the password. Now if you can remember your password, go ahead and type in the password. Otherwise, click on forget your password. Then once you tap forget the password, you'll be prompted to choose how you want to reset your Snapchat password. You may choose phone number or via email. So let's go with phone number. Then you should say go ahead and type in your Snapchat phone number. Now once you type in your phone number, don't forget to select your country. Here by default, Snapchat is going to automatically select your country. Here is Nigeria, and then go ahead and click on submit. Once Snapchat can confirm that, you see your verification code typed in or entered automatically. Then you should see confirm your credentials. Here once you've successfully changed your password, then if your credentials are correct, go ahead and click on the confirm button. Otherwise, click on the credentials just like this, then edit it, or click on your phone number just like this and then edit it. Then go ahead and click on the confirm button. There you go. Then you should see your Snapchat password reset. However, the disadvantage of this is you'll not be prompted to set a preferred Snapchat password. But if you want to set a unique password for Snapchat account, all you need to do is go back and log out again. Then once you logged out, remove this account, yes. Then go again and click on login, then click on forgot password. Then use via email. Go ahead and type in your email. If the email is not currently pops, then click on send code. Then you should see verification code sent to your email. Then go ahead and open this email address and type in the verification code sent to you by Snapchat. Then type the code. There you go. Then you see you'll not be asked to create a unique password for your Snapchat account. So this is how you can easily reset your Snapchat password. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.